Fun and interesting facts about Japan. Part 5. The 2003 pet boom of Japan. Starting around 2003, pets became more and more popular in Japan, and by the year 2009, there were close to 6 million more cats and dogs than children in Japan. This boom also has a reported dark side, though, as many people who were not 100% ready for a pet in their life decided to get one, and then shortly after decided the pet was too much and gave it to a shelter. Japanese trains are extremely punctual. Trains in Japan are so punctual that it's scary. At the same time, it makes you wonder and awe how they do it, because there are so many different train lines that run throughout the country on a given day. In fact, in 2017, the Tsukuba Express line between Tokyo and Tsukuba made global headlines when the management of the train line apologized publicly for leaving the station 20 seconds early. Japan has sand dunes. Yes, surprisingly, Japan also has a dune, which means they pretty much have everything you would ever want in a country. All jokes aside, the largest and only dune in the country is the Tottori Sand Dunes, which is 9 miles long and 1.5 miles wide. Over 2 million visitors come here annually to explore the dunes. There are also other activities here to take part in too, like sandboarding, paragliding, camel rides, a museum to visit, and even taking the chairlift up to an observation deck. Hikikomori, a population who has withdrawn from society. There is a population of mostly men in Japan, known as Hikikomori, who have completely withdrawn from society and for the most part, haven't left their rooms for at least 6 months to 1 year. In the 2016 Japanese census, they counted about 540,000 people who would be considered Hikikomori, but it's hard to say because most of these people tend to want to stay under the radar. Even though the term is Japanese, there are Hikikomori in other parts of the world too, like the US, Brazil, and Oman. There was a ban on dancing after midnight. Interestingly, there was a ban in Japan on dancing after midnight or 1 a.m. in bars, clubs, and other public venues that lasted from 1948 to 2015. This law was first put into place during World War II because many of the dancing venues during the U.S. occupation of Japan was actually a front for prostitution.